Hello, my friends. John here. Welcome back to Daily English TV. Today, I will tell you a longer, deeper, more emotional story. A true, life-changing story. This episode is part of our 10-minute listening and shadowing practice. You can enjoy it anywhere, on the bus, while cooking, while walking, or before going to sleep. As you listen, you can shadow the words. Repeat after me slowly, clearly, and calmly. This story is written for A1 to A2 English learners, so every sentence is simple and easy to follow. Now, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin.
2 years ago, my life felt heavy. Not heavy in my hands, but heavy in my heart. From the outside, everything looked normal. I had a job, I had friends, I had a small apartment. But inside, I felt lost. Every morning was the same. My alarm rang at 6:30. I pressed it, closed my eyes, and wished the day would disappear. I got up slowly, made tea, and looked at the same wall, the same table, the same routine. Then I walked to work. The same road, the same buildings, the same people. At work, I smiled, but the smile felt weak. I talked, but the conversations felt empty. I wasn't sad, but I wasn't happy either. I was just existing. Every night I came home tired, opened my phone, scrolled, and went to sleep. Day after day, everything felt the same. And the worst part? I didn't know what I was missing. One night, I came home very late. I remember the weather clearly. It was cold outside, and the sky was dark with small raindrops. My shoes were wet, my shoulders were tired, and my mind was full of noise, questions, worries, thoughts. I opened the door, put my keys on the table, and sat down on the sofa. I didn't move for a few minutes. I just sat there, feeling tired and a little lost. I turned on the TV. The screen was bright, but my mind was still dark. Nothing helped. Then something small caught my eye. On the table, under a small pile of old papers, was a notebook. A simple notebook. Old, dusty, forgotten. I picked it up. The cover said, Spanish Notebook, Class 8. I felt a little smile on my face, a small warm feeling. I opened the notebook slowly. Inside, I saw my handwriting, my old vocabulary list, short sentences, simple grammar notes. I touched the paper and remembered something. I used to love learning Spanish. I loved how the words sounded. I loved how the sentences felt. I loved how I felt when I understood something new. It made me feel free. It made me feel curious. It made me feel alive. But life got busy, and slowly, quietly, I stopped. That night, I sat there with the notebook in my hands and said to myself, maybe I can start again. Not for a big reason, not for a big goal, just for me, just for fun. Just a few minutes a day. And somehow, for the first time in a long time, I felt a little hope. So I opened YouTube and typed "Learn Spanish Slowly." I found a podcast with short stories. The teacher spoke slowly, clearly, and warmly. I listened, and to my surprise, I understood most of it. Not everything, but enough to feel proud. I repeated after him, slowly. The words felt strange in my mouth, like waking up old muscles. But after a few minutes, I started to enjoy it again. Something inside me woke up, a small spark. I felt alive. I felt interested. I felt a little excited. And that night, I slept better than I had slept in weeks. The next day, I listened again. 10 minutes, then 15, then 20. Every day, it became easier. My confidence grew. My voice grew stronger. My memory improved. I learned new words. I used them in short sentences, and every sentence gave me power. I wrote small notes. I am learning. I am trying. I am growing. These words were simple, but they changed how I felt. I stopped waiting for the perfect time. I stopped worrying about mistakes. I stopped thinking I was too busy. I just practiced, a little every day. 1 month later, something beautiful happened. I was sitting in a cafe, drinking warm coffee, writing simple Spanish sentences in my notebook. Next to me, 2 tourists were speaking Spanish. Before, I would never talk to strangers. But that day, something inside me said, "Try." So I smiled and said, "Hola, ¿estás telecita por aquí?" "Hello, are you visiting here?" They looked surprised, then happy. We talked for 5 minutes. Simple words, simple questions, simple answers. But for me, those 5 minutes felt like a mountain. When they left, I felt proud, really proud. I whispered to myself, "This is why I started again." That moment taught me something important. Learning a language is not only about grammar or vocabulary. It is about connection. It is about confidence. It is about courage. It is about becoming alive again. Spanish gave me something more than words. It gave me hope. It gave me a new start. It reminded me that I can always start again. And you can too. Now repeat after me. I used to love learning Spanish. I used to love learning Spanish. I started to enjoy it. I started to enjoy it. I said to myself, maybe I can start again. I said to myself, maybe I can start again. Short phrases. I felt lost. I felt lost. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. I started again. I started again. I felt proud. I felt proud. Great job! Thank you for listening to this 10-minute shadowing story. I'm John, and this is Daily English TV. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in small changes. Bye for now.